What is HubLearn? That's what I'm going to share with you during this video. There's a short version and an extended version. Hopefully you'll stay to the extended version to get all the details and the whole ecosystem of HubLearn. Before I start, I want to thank you for tuning in to this video, which you found somewhere, either by scanning our QR code or search the internet or heard it from your network. No matter your source, thank you sincerely from the heart to be here, and I hope you stay to the end. My name is Adam Dollner. I'm the CEO and founder of HubLearn. I had a very well-paid job with a lot of responsibilities, but I quit the job. I wanted to make a change. So I quit the job, sold my belongings, packed a few suitcases, and went traveling the world. First in Africa, then Asia. All in the spirit of upgrading and reskilling locals around the world so they are more resilient to the future of technology. I'm a tech and travel expert, and I want to share my knowledge with all the locals in aim to give them an income, but also make them more resilient. So I hope you're going to support me and HubLearn by sharing this video and follow our journey. So that was the introduction and welcoming. The short version of HubLearn is that we are a social enterprise which aim to upskill and reskill local and small businesses around the world. We do it in a different and an innovative way. We want to have people to take action. Instead of just having a knowledge, they also need a place where they can take action. That's what we do. We do it in an innovative way. How we do it, stay tuned for the extended version. Okay, so welcome to the extended version. If you are here, you heard the previous short version of what HubLearn is. But let me take you through the extended version and the ecosystem of HubLearn. HubLearn is a social learning platform where you can share your knowledge or get some knowledge. And we got a whole ecosystem with the different projects. But let me take you through the journey. You here, you either have some knowledge or you want to gain some knowledge. So you come to HubLearn. You can then sell your online courses, or you can be guided and gain some knowledge or some jobs within HubLearn, which we help you with. So that's what we do. We help you and you help us. How we do it and what kind of products we have is knowledge selling. We are doing online courses. We are doing it in a different way. We got the regular e-learning courses, as you know. Then we also produce and help companies, locals, to do virtual reality learning. We also got augmented reality learning. And for you out there who doesn't know what virtual reality is, that is a total digital closed world 360, which we record with a real camera, but you see it as being there yourself. The augmented reality is a digital overlay of the real world. That is what augmented reality is. Then we also, in the HubLearn, provide online schooling. So we set up online schooling. So we are able to have Microsoft Teams Microsoft Teams. So if you need an area of online learning, we can create that for you via Microsoft Teams. So if you have a school or you know someone who has a school at the countryside, we are then able to make it virtual and an online school. So we can have students to get knowledge from around the world from your school, of course, if you give access to that. Then we do consulting. Within all of this, with e-learning, virtual reality, augmented reality, online schooling, and tech. So that's what we do. So these are all our products which we are selling at HubLearn. On the journey, we're also creating a lot of small projects. So one of the projects we have is called ShopByLocals. So ShopByLocals is our online selling platform. So if you have some knowledge or you have some products, you can then come to ShopByLocals and sell it. So if you have a shop, you're also welcome to do it. It's selling platform, but this is a unique platform where we have everything. We have a platform where you can sell products. They can either be physical or they can be digital. Here you have the physical or digital products, but you also can sell services. And that could be some of the knowledge which you got from HubLearn. So we have services, or it could be just regular service like cleaning service, educational service, building, whatever you want. Then we also got events / bookings. So you can hold an event or you can book. You can make it possible for people to book a slot for you. That could be if you, let's take an example, got a restaurant here. You can then require skills from HubLearn, or you already have a restaurant. You come to ShopByLocals. Your restaurant sells physical products, which is food. But why don't you sell digital products as well, like e-learning courses or the recipe of the food? And also, why don't you provide the services so you can have a chef coming out to people and cook for them? Or you can do other services like taking people in and teach them how to cook, or you can prepare food for them so they can do it takeaway. So these ones here are together. But you can also make bookings and events, so people can book a table at your restaurants, or you can make an event where you're cooking the stuff with them. So it's like a cooking teamwork event. All that from your local shop. So you create value for the people to come to your shop, which is very important. So that is ShopByLocals. This was the extended version of HubLearn and its project ShopByLocals. So to wrap it all up, we upskill and reskill people, and we create the platform and possibilities for people to sell it. So ShopByLocals is our main project, which we are giving out to you here. So please sign up at ShopByLocal and then start selling all your products and services, or you can create bookings and events. It's an amazing, revolutionary platform because we got virtual reality on it and we got augmented reality in ShopByLocals. So people are able to hear your story from it and about your product or your services virtually, and they can see the product via augmented reality. I hope it makes sense. If not, then please let me know. And I'm very privileged to have you watching it to the end. Thank you for that. And this is the ecosystem of HubLearn. Sign up straight away to ShopByLocals. Thank you so much, and I'm excited to welcome you on board. Bye.